Median means the middle term. What is the middle in that comes? Suppose that I taken the numbers 1, 2, 3, sub number wise I taken. What is the middle number in that? That is the median of that. So this is total number is 7. Total number is 7. In that the middle number is what? This side 3 left, this side 3 left. So middle number is 4. So this is the median for that. Like that, if the terms, so this number are called the terms. How much terms are that? Number of the terms. Term number. If it is in the odd number, odd and even, then what we have to do? Let's coming little back. Let's coming little to back. What are the things are that in that? What are the grouped data? What are the ungrouped data? Grouped data, the data which are having more in the numbers and they made a one frequency type that can be given in a one particular 0 to 10, 10 to 20. This 11 also comes in that, 12 also comes in that, 15 also comes in that. Ungrouped data, then that groups data which are the less in the numbers, we can execute the numbers directly. Now what? To find the median, there are the two things are there. First of all, everybody or you must, dear student, may arrange the data into ascending order or descending order. Arrange the data into ascending order, otherwise descending order. Any data, first of all, arrange the data into ascending or descending order. Ascending order or descending order. Whatever the ungrouped data given to you, that you should make first arrange them into the ascending order, small to big, otherwise descending order, big to small order. Then check in that how much numbers are there, how much terms are there in that, how much numbers given to you. If it is given the odd number, if the term number the odd, n is equal to odd, then you have to apply the formula n plus 1 by 2, and that is the truth number. That is the truth is the median. That is the truth in the median. Suppose that one example taking for here, just taking a one example. Suppose that one student scored in the math test some numbers. It is like that 2, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1 and 4. Like that they given the numbers. Like that. And another one, suppose that 7 marks he got. In one test, first of all what you have to do? You should do arrange in the ascending order or descending order. Let's arrange in the ascending order. Which is the smallest number? 1. Then what will come? 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. And then 6 and 7. Now you have to find the total number. Total how much numbers are there? N is equal to how much numbers are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. 7 is the odd number, so that we are using the formula n plus 1 by 2. That is the term is the median. Means 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4th. Fourth term. Which is the fourth term? Any side you can count from the fourth term. So suppose that from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth term. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, fourth term. This is the fourth term. So what is the median? Median is equal to 4. Median is equal to 4. This is the for ungrouped data if the numbers are in the odd. Term numbers are odd. Suppose that the numbers are given the even, then what have to do? Let's take a one example. What is the formula for that? How to find that one? Suppose that same number I written, a student find the some marks in the Hindi test or any subject test, that and he scored like it 9, 8, 2, 1, 0, 5. Then what will be the median for this data? Again our same rule, we have to arrange this given data into the ascending order or descending order. So we are arranging in ascending order. First will come 0, then what will come? 1, then will come the 2, then 5 and then 8 and 9. Now number of terms, how much numbers of terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. Then we cannot use that formula n plus 1 by 2. We are using the formula here n by 2 or plus n plus 1 by 2 and divided by 2 second all the terms number. That is the medium of that term number. Now see in that nth total is 6. 6 by 2. Otherwise next number of that. If you don't want it this, no problem. Next number of that. You can write here plus next term. Then divided by 2. And that is the medium of that. So 6 and next term. Whatever the 6 is divided by 2 is equal to what? Third term. So which is the third term? 1, 2, 3. This is the third term. Now third term is equal to what? 2. And what is the fourth term? What is the fourth term? 5. Now we taken both. Now we are doing it. What is the median of that? So 2 plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. This is the median for this data. So what is the median for this data? Median is equal to of this data is what? 3.5. I hope you understand it. Let's proceed for that formula method and grouped data. This is ungrouped data. Let's proceed for the grouped data. So there one formula comes. What are the things are there coming? We are writing first formula, then explaining the things how to find that one. So formula median is equal to L. L means lower limit. L means what? Lower limit. Plus bracket n by 2 means total of the numbers, how much frequency is given, divided by 2 minus CF. CF means what? Cumulative frequency. Then divided by that F. F means frequency into what is the height of this, what is the difference of that numbers or grouped data in CI. That is the here H. That is the H. Again L means lower limit of the frequency. N by 2 means the total numbers of what is the addition sum of the frequency came, that divided by 2 minus CF means what? Commutative frequency of the preceding numbers. Preceding means before numbers. Then F means what? Frequency of the given data. Then into H. H means how much difference is there between the CI. Now we are taking a one example. This is the frequency. Already it is given in your book. Frequency they only will give 4 means 65 to 85 numbers came 4 times, 5 times, 13 times, 20 times, 14 times, 8 times or 4 times. CF means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means first as it is 4 only. Now 4 plus 5. See 4 plus 5. This one adding 4 plus 5 9. Then 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 how much? 22. Then 22 plus 20 how much? 42. Then 42 plus 14 how much? 56. How much? 56. Then 56 plus 8 how much? 64. And 64 plus 4 how much? 68. Means total number of the frequencies are how much? Total number of frequencies is 68. Now we are writing the numbers. Formula we are writing 68. Now writing the formula median is equal to L plus bracket n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what the things we are finding in this table? This much only in the table we are finding now. Now first of all this n by 2. So what is n? 68. Here it is written n is equal to 68. In the last CF last number comes, that is the n. That is the n. So n by 2 first one rough work doing here. N by 2 means 68 by 2 is equal to how much? 34. Now this 34 number we have to search in this, in that where which is near to it, 22 or 42, which is near 42, this side bigger number. Okay, so this is the become the CF. What become this? Before preceding CF means what? Preceding cumulative frequency. This is called the CF. This is called the CF. This is called the F. This is called the because of 34 comes in this 42 near to this only. So this is called the F. This is called the F. It is called. Now in that only, this is called the lower limit. This is called the lower limit. L it is called. Okay. And H. H means what is the number? What is the difference in that? So 65 to 85. What is the difference in that? 20. So H is equal to how much? 20. Now these values we are keeping into the formula. Again once. First of all you have to find the n by 2. So n by 2, n number is last frequency. 68 divided by 2 is equal to 34. 34 in which number it goes near? So in this it comes more. Because of it is 34 is greater than 22. In that can't come. But it is the near to that. So 42. Before that, before just that, because of preceding means before. Before number is called CF. Before number is called CF. This is called CF. Now in that number came, so this is called the F. This is called the F. And in that only, starting it is called the lower limit. And what is the difference between the CI? That is called the H. That is called the H. Now these numbers we are getting into the formula and we are finding the answer. Now L. What is the L? 125. Plus bracket. N by 2 how much we got? 34. 34 minus CF. What is the CF? 22 by what is the F? 20 into what is the H? What is the H? 20. What is the H? 20. Now directly we can cancel this number to this number. We can cancel it. So what remaining? 125 plus 34 minus 22 how much?
12.
How much? 12. So 125 plus 12 how much? 137. How much? So what is the median? Median of given data is what? 137. This is the answer. Okay. I hope you understand it. Continue follow for the video next video purpose, that is comes mode. And if you not understand here what, follow the backward previous video, that is called the mean video. Thank you.